As the world hurtles toward 2030, it's clear that AI is going to change the job market in ways we never could have imagined. But don't worry, folks, because there's no need to panic just yet. Sure, some white-collar jobs may become obsolete, but that's just the natural evolution of the workforce, right? So, without further ado, let's take a look at the top 8 white-collar jobs that are most likely to be taken over by our robot overlords by the year 2030. 1. Data entry clerks. These folks spend their days typing away at their keyboards, inputting data into databases. But why waste all that time and energy when AI-powered data entry software can do it faster and more accurately? Bye-bye, data entry clerks. 2. Bookkeepers and accountants. These money-minded individuals spend their days analyzing financial data and producing reports. But why bother with all that math and number crunching when AI-powered accounting software can do it better? Sorry, bookkeepers and accountants, your jobs are toast. 3. Customer service representatives. These friendly folks spend their days answering customer queries and complaints. But why bother with all that small talk when AI-powered chatbots can handle it all? Farewell, customer service reps. 4. Translators. AI-powered translation software can translate text and speech with greater accuracy than human translators. So, if you're a translator, it's time to start thinking about a career change before the robots take over your job. 5. Legal researcher. AI-powered legal research software can analyze legal documents and identify relevant case law with greater speed and accuracy than human workers. This means that jobs like, for example, paralegals will soon become a thing of the past. 6. Writer or editor. AI-powered writing and editing software can write and edit text with greater speed and accuracy than human writers and editors. 7. Medical transcriptionists. These jobs are quickly becoming obsolete because now AI-powered medical transcription utilizes cutting-edge technology, such as natural language processing, to transcribe the conversation between patients and clinicians. It then extracts the necessary medical information and organizes it into notes, which can be easily input into an electronic health record. 8. Stock trader. AI-powered trading software can analyze market trends and make investment decisions with greater speed and accuracy than human traders. So, if you're a stock trader, it's time to start thinking about a career change before the robots take over your job. 9. Graphic designers. Even creative jobs, like graphic designers, are at risk because of AI software like Midjourney, Dalle and Stable Diffusion. There will still be some graphic designers needed, but there will be less jobs available, so it's not a good idea to start a career as graphic designer these days. So there you have it, folks. The future is here and it's looking bleak for these white-collar workers. But don't despair, there's still time to learn a new skill before the robots take over. So, if you're in one of the above jobs, it's time to start thinking about a career change before it's too late. So what do you think? Will these jobs be replaced by AI by 2030? Why or why not? Please let us know in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and like.